Hello and welcome to Technology with Purpose. I'm glad you're here. If you're passionate about exploring the world of technology and learning how to integrate it with purpose, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Today we're diving into the powerful world of LabVIEW. Now, LabVIEW is a platform and development environment specifically designed for data acquisition, instrument control, and industrial automation. It is widely used for designing sophisticated systems that need to process, control, and visualize data in real time. LabVIEW uses a graphical programming language called G, where you build programs by connecting virtual instruments, VIs, through a flowchart-like interface. This graphical interface makes it ideal for engineers and scientists to prototype their systems with minimal coding, all while enabling quick testing and iteration. Some of the key features of LabVIEW include its ability to integrate hardware easily, perform parallel processing, and handle complex mathematical operations in real time. With LabVIEW, you can interface with sensors, controllers, and more while leveraging a range of libraries and toolkits to meet specific application needs. All right, let's get started. I'm going to open up LabVIEW and show you its interface. Please follow along. As you can see, here we have the LabVIEW interface. On the front panel, we create the user interface, where you can add controls like buttons, dials, and indicators that allow users to interact with the program. Here on the left, we have the functions palette. This contains all the built-in tools and functions that you can use to build your program. From mathematical operations to loops and case structures, it's all right here at your fingertips. Pause for 2 seconds. Now let's try a simple example, controlling a lamp with a push button. I'll show you how we can design this using LabVIEW. Here we have a push button on the front panel. We'll create a simple logic on the block diagram to turn the lamp on when the button is pressed. I'm adding an indicator to represent the lamp. Now let's wire them together. As you can see, we're simply wiring the push button to the lamp. When the button is pressed, the lamp indicator will light up. Let's test it out. Just like that, we have our basic lamp control working with LabVIEW. Next, let's take it a step further and work with an array of lamps. This way we can control multiple lamps at once using an array of push buttons. Here, I'm creating an array of lamps, and I'll use an array of push buttons to control each one individually. It's the same logic as before, but now we're working with multiple elements, making it a bit more complex, but still straightforward with LabVIEW. Now our array of lamps is controlled by an array of buttons. If I press a button, the corresponding lamp will light up. As you can see, we can control multiple lamps in parallel using arrays and LabVIEW's intuitive design. With that, we've covered some of the basic concepts of controlling hardware with LabVIEW. Now in our next video, we're going to dive deeper into integrating LabVIEW with SQL databases, which will allow us to store and retrieve data efficiently. I hope you're as excited as I am for that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Technology with Purpose. Your support means a lot to us, and we have a lot more content coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep innovating.